Why don't we stop looking at it, waiting for paint to dry?
Better her in the yard in case you catch fire.
How long were you stuck for?
Oh, over an hour.
Over an hour?
Yeah, damn right.
Is this your first day grading this year?
No, it'll be the second.
Oh, the second? Second day out for an hour?
Yeah. Get the winter bugs out of the system.
If you're blessed with stiffness, you can bend the knees because it's the depth of the groins that's interesting. Good. Longer arms. Long arms, wide back, soft throat, bright collarbones. And then, near the end of the exhale, bend the knees. And with the exhale, squeeze in, contracting rectus abdominis pubococcygeus muscle.